Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss about the doctoral degree, the names, and deciphering the letters behind the title. Hello and welcome. Have you ever wondered what all those letters behind a doctor name mean? Well, today we are here to decipher the mystery of doctoral degree names. Let's dive in. First up, we have MD, which stands for Doctor of Medicines. This degree is awarded to individuals who have completed medical school and are qualified to practice medicines. Next, we have Ph.D, which stands for Doctor of Philosophy. Contrary to popular beliefs, this degree is not limited to philosophy but can be earned in a variety of fields such as science, engineering, and humanities. Moving on, we have DDS, which stands for Doctor of Dental Surgery. This degree is awarded to dentists who have completed dental school and are licensed to practice dentistry. Now let's talk about DO, which stands for Doctor of Osteopathic Medicine. This degree is similar to MD but emphasizes a holistic approach to medicines that focuses on the body's musculoskeletal system. Lastly, we have DVM, which stands for Doctor of Veterinary Medicines. This degree is awarded to individuals who have completed veterinary school and are licensed to practice veterinary medicines. And there you have it, the mystery behind doctor degree names deciphered. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you like my video, please click the bell icon. Subscribe our channel for more educational content.